Alright, well, day 2 of the lathe saga. Got the motor mounted on there. I ended up finding an old junky belt. Sides of it's coming apart, but that don't really affect what we're doing. But sounds pretty good. I gotta tidy up my wiring a little bit. I'm gonna have to redo all that stuff in there because I don't have enough room to get the cover on. Let me plug it in for you. If I can find the cord. Get the carriage out of the way here. Don't sound too bad. Shut these gears off. A little quieter. Sounds pretty good. Next problem is, I'll show you. Let me set you up here somewhere so you can see what I got going. I need 3 hands. Yeah, maybe this will work. Just take you out of that. I can hold the chuck with one hand and spin the belt with the other one very easily. I'll set you up over here so you can see. Anyway, long story short, I'm sure you guys know what's going on here. This leather belt is pretty shitty. So I guess my next step is I'm gonna have to take this drive all apart. I'm gonna have to take this spindle all apart. I'm gonna find myself a belt. And we're gonna put a serpentine belt on there. I think this wiring I currently have on here is pretty small. It's like 14 gauge wire, so I think I'm going to redo the wiring and I'm going to redo my switch. I think that's pretty inadequate for what we're trying to do here. Make sure we got good power. I'm probably going to get a new belt for that, for the motor part. And hopefully that'll take care of this. As soon as you start cutting, it just slows right down, and if you try to take too much, it'll actually stop the spindle. So you can see how it cuts. It's not very good. Anyway, that's the story with that. We'll keep picking away at her here. Hopefully get this situation. 99% of my problem is that belt right there, that leather one. Probably could have got away with leaving the other motor on there, but it is what it is. And I can always go back to it. It's not a big deal, just gotta put it back on there. So until next time.